Peace, kings and queens. I wanted to do a quick video and show you another quick fix. I needed a dresser for my bedroom because I don't have a closet. So I went ahead and went on Facebook Marketplace, which is a great tool when you're trying to find something fast. And I found this really cool dresser, a 5-drawer dresser for $15. As you can see here, it had some bumps and bruises on it, but nothing too crazy. I went ahead and took everything out, cleaned it off, then sanded it down with my sander just to get all those bumps off and make it nice and smooth. And also it makes it easier for the paint to soak up onto the wood. Since it's a compressed wood, it's better to sand it, I feel like, because then the paint won't peel off as easy. I went ahead and used a semi-gloss white because I love white, as you can see here. And semi-gloss is just better to wipe it down when it gets dirty, nothing sticks to it, and it looks really nice and classic. Tell me what you think. Hope you like it. Peace.